When I say I go, you say Ame, I go. This is your friend Charlotte Samuel Dankwa. Thank you guys so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. I hope everyone doing well. Me and my family, everybody doing well. Thank you. Today, ladies, I have something to show you. Maybe you know about whatever I'm going to talk about. Or maybe some people don't know. Every year, end of the holidays, Macys do, I think the beginning of the holidays, Macys do something called thank you for sharing. But that thank you for sharing, I did last year, a year before. And I did last year. A year before, I think I get returned back like a 230 something. And this year, if I tell you how much I got, you're going to be surprised. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I think you have to be a Macys card holder before you can do that thank you for sharing. Okay, I think you pay like a couple bucks, like $25 or $30. Then you keep shopping. It's like a bonus. When the year end, they send you your bonus. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So, when the year end, they just send me this card. You say thank you for sharing over there. Thanks for sharing. That one. And when it come, I said, what am I going to do with this card? Because it doesn't have no number or anything. And you guys know we're still quarantined, so I can't go anywhere. So I go to the computer, I was searching Macys website, and I see they're doing sale. I said, okay, my facial stuff and my makeup, everything is done because nobody can go anywhere, and you don't even need makeup anyway. Because you're not going anywhere. So when I see Macys doing the sale, I say, wait a minute. Let me see if I can use this card and see how much money I have on it. Girl, I start to shop. I say, let me get my facial stuff and my makeup and see if I can get, you know, if I pay for the rest of it or everything can pay. Girl, so you know I use Estee Lauder, the devil way. So let's say, let me go to Estee Lauder and see if Estee Lauder have whatever I need. And I go to Macys website. Girl, let me show you how much I save and how much I get from this card, okay? I go to Macys website and you see the sales is still there. You can't even see the phone, but I'm gonna show you how much that I got. Okay, I get the Estee Lauder, the devil wear, the makeup. I was looking for two, but my color, they don't have it. So they only have one. So I pick up one. So I always use 4W1. So I pick up one. And usually I buy them from, sometimes I get it for maybe $49 or $50. But when I order them, I get them $43. Girl, $43 for this one. So I pick up this one from my card. Thank you for sharing. So I get this one $43. Okay? And I was quickly, I say, I don't need anything there because I don't use the facial stuff. I said, okay, let me pick up mascara. Who use mascara? You don't use eyelashes. But sometimes, you know, you don't want to put lashes or anything. Mine is almost done. I said, let me pick up one. So I pick up one mascara. Let me see how much I get them. Okay, this one I get it $26. Let me remove it and see whatever is in there. Okay, it's that one. That one is very, very good because it's so thick. And it's really, really good. This one, my goodness, and it takes long to finish. You know the other ones were too nice to put it flake and everything. This one is so gorgeous. When you put it, oh my God. When you put it really, really good and really nice, it's like you put eyelashes on. I'm telling you, small eyelashes. It look really, really beautiful. So the people, they don't use the lashes, you can buy this one from Estee Lauder. It's very good. You can use it. So I get this one $26. So when I finish, I say, that's it? Let me see if I can get more from my thank you for sharing. Girl. So I go to, I use Clinique. All my facial I use is Clinique. Because you know Clinique is good for blemishes and pimples and dark spots and stuff like that. So I always use Clinique. So I go to Clinique and I say, let me see if they're having sales too. And they're doing it. And they're doing sale. So I pick up this. A 7-piece set. All facial. That's the front. And this is the back. You can see it's piece in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the bag it come with, they count it as a piece. I'm gonna show you what is inside, but I'm gonna show you the price first. Okay, this one, I get this one $68. And when you buy something more than $25, it's free shipping. So that one is $68. And I get all of them from this card. So that one is that. And I look at it and say, this is so cheap. They're doing good sale. Let me see if I can pick up one more. If this card can pay for it. Girl! Oh my God. And I pick up another one. So, and I say, can I check out and see if this one can do it? I said, I'm not going to check out. Let me see. So I pick up 2 of them. Look. The same thing. I pick up 2 and the card pay for it. So, this is $68 and this one is $68. 2 of them, the same card pay for them. That's thank you for sharing. So the same Clinique, the stuff I use for my face, I use this one for dark spot and like everyday wear is very, very good. That one, usually I get it sometimes it's like $90 something, but they're doing sale and I get this one $84. This is the big one. This is a big bottle. They have the small one and this please don't mind the nails. You know what is going on. So I get this one. Look, this is a big one. This I can use this one like a year. I'm telling you, because you just need just a little bit, and it's very good for black spot and sometimes you get up and you have some kind of a little bit wrinkle. I don't know how your wrinkle look like, but mine is a fine one. But when I keep using this, I see it's going down a little bit. Look, especially down here. It's so good. I use that one. And I'm like, okay, let me check out. And something said, don't check out. Let's see. And I'm adding up. So, I need my cream is finished too. I told you everything I use for my face is Clinique. Clinique is a little bit expensive, but it's very good. I don't know. Some people it's good for them. Some people it's not. Clinique is like Clinique stuff. So, so I pick up this one. Let me tell you how much this one is. So, this one I get it $50. Okay? It's right here. I know you can't see, but it's right there. So this is that one. That one is $50 and I get this one. Let's see how much I get for end of the year. Because let me tell you something. The more you shop, the more you get, I think, more bonus. I hear somebody get $1,000. I say, $1,000? Whoa! I never get $1,000. So let's see. I get these two. 68. And I get this one, those, and those. Do the math. Do the math and see how much I got. So when I finish, I say, wait a minute. How I will know that I have more money in the card or anything? Because now you can't go anywhere. You can't go to the store. You can't go anywhere. So how am I going to know? So something tell me, I say, I'm going to call the store. Maybe they're still in the store and see. And I call the store, nobody pick up. So at the computer, when you finish checkout, I add everything and everything pay for it. Oh my God. Everything pay for it. So this is $268. And I get all of those from the same card. So when I finish, I add up and I pay for it. When I finish, they ask me if I want to shop more. I say no. Do you want to know the balance? I say hell yeah. And I still have $98 in this card. Over all this stuff I bought, I still have $98 in this card. So if you don't know about thank you for sharing, I'm just letting you know. So when the end of the year, when holidays come, you can do this. I think they only do this in Macys. I don't know about the Blue Moon Days and stuff like that. I don't know about that. Only Macys I know about it. Only Macys I did about, because the rest of the store, I don't know if they do it. So, excuse me. I'm just letting you know. If you don't know, try it when it's coming to the Christmas. And as much as you shop, you don't throw your money away. And at the end of the year, you get some kind of return. At least if you get $50 or $100, it's a lot. You know what I mean? This one, I'm going to open it and show you how it look like. It comes like this. I already take the paper and stuff from there. It comes like this inside. So this bag is 1 piece. That's why you see 7 piece. It come like that. All the stuff is in there. I'm gonna remove it and show it to you. And the bag is so gorgeous. You can, when you finish, you take everything off. You can still put your makeup or anything on it when you travel or something. Or you put the same thing in here. It's very, very good. I love it. This is the cleanser. There's a cleanser. And that one, you remove your makeup and dirt face and everything. It tone your face very nice. And this is the big one. Okay, this is a really, really big one. And they give you the pump to go with it. And they give you the, you know, everything packed like that. They give you the traveling size. And they give you this jelly. This one is so nice. Oh my God, look at this one. Maybe you can see it. Oh my God, when you put your face plump and everything, you see? Oh my God, it's so good. This gel is very, very, very good. So good. Look, that one is very, very good. And all of them is a big one. This is a big bottle. So you get that one and that one. This big 3. And when they finish, they're not done with you. And they give you 3 traveling size. Whoops. 3 traveling. Hey, what the? 3 is so slippery. 3 traveling size. So if you're going somewhere and if you don't want to take this big one, you take this one. Okay? And if you don't want to take this big one with you, you take this one. So, you know, they talk about us, you know. If you don't want to take this big one, you take this one with you. Okay? All right. So, I get all of that here. Where's the other one? All of them here. I can't even pick up all of them. Okay? So, it's a lot. Okay? And I still have the same here. Okay? You see, this one too is the same thing. You see, I didn't take the bag or anything off. The same thing right here. Look, when it comes set up like this. Okay, I don't want to remove everything. So, if you don't know about thank you for sharing, please, when the year end, if you can, do it. So, but at the end of the year, you get some kind of big bonus return, and you're gonna be happy about it. All right, ladies. So that's it, and I'm gonna show you. They send you all the receipt. This is the bag. When the box comes, the box, big box, and I throw that box outside. They come to my house. So this bag, like you go shopping in Macys, they do it the same way. They put everything here. They double the bag, nice and neat, and everything is here. And they give you all your receipts. Like you go to the store and they show you how much you spend and how much you have left in your card. I have 4 receipts for all the stuff I ordered. So it's not bad at all. You know, your girl didn't do bad. Last year your girl shop a lot. Don't tell the husband, but you know, we shop a lot and we didn't throw the money away. Okay? Please, every year do it and you get a lot of money back. Okay? So I'm gonna cut this video nice and short. Don't forget to subscribe and love always Charlotte. And listen, ladies, I just posted a beautiful, gorgeous, this necklace. Look at it. Maybe you can see it's so gorgeous, beautiful, gorgeous. And this earrings, if you can see it, that's perfect, beautiful. And this necklace, look at them. These bangles, look. So if you like this Chanel bangles, I have the gold, silver. I post everything, watch it, and let me know if you need it. And I have so many beautiful things in it. That video, you're gonna like it. So thank you so much for watching. Love always, Charlotte. And please, be careful out there. Wear your mask and wash your hands a lot. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah.